A green pearl in the Himalayan crown, Himachal Pradesh is blessed with a rich flora and fauna that graces the land with grandeur and majesty. Himachal Pradesh is one of the states that lies in the Indian Himalayan region. It is bordered by Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and Haryana. It is a land of jade forests and 68% of the land area is covered with jungles. The climate varies across the state with altitude. It experiences a pleasant climate throughout the year. It even experiences heavy snowfall during the winter months. The Great Himalayan National Park in Kullu, which was the first in the state, was created to preserve the flora and fauna of the main Himalayan range. People call Himachal Pradesh a paradise which is surrounded by beautiful flora and fauna. The natural beauty of Himachal Pradesh is very attractive. The high mountains, deep valleys, lush green forest attract everyone. So take a dip in the captivating nature of Himachal Pradesh and enjoy its endless beauty.
Hoopoe. Hoopoe is the most widespread species of the genus Upupa. Native to Asia, some authorities also keep the African and Eurasian hoopoe together but split the Madagascar hoopoe. It belongs to the class of caves. They have straight feathers on the head and a long, thin beak. The snow leopard. The snow leopard in Himachal Pradesh, also known as the ounce, is a large cat native to the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia. It is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List because the global population is estimated to number less than 10,000 matured individuals and is expected to decline about 10% by 2040. It is threatened by poaching and habitat destruction following infrastructural development. The Himalayan musk deer. The Himalayan musk deer, also known as the white-bellied musk deer, it belongs to the musk deer species occurring in the Himalayas of India. It is listed as an endangered on the IUCN Red List because of the overexploitation resulting in a probable serious population decline. It is previously considered as a subspecies of the alpine musk deer, but was separated on the basis of different skull portions.
Being one of the most beautiful states of India, Himachal Pradesh consists of various trees, shrubs, flowers, etc. Between this extreme can be found tropical to temperate vegetational zone of mixed deciduous forest, bamboo, chill, oaks, deodar, fir, etc. Abundance of wild flowers, ferns and rich medicinal herbs are found in the forest and alpine meadows. Himachal Pradesh, an Indian Himalaya, has a rich diversity of medicinal plants which are widely used. The medicinal plants include bhindi. These are mainly used fresh seeds, grounded and applied on wound externally. Khair, wood used to relieve from throat infection and cough. And the other important plants are aloe vera, commonly known as kavarpeta, shatwari, etc. Himachal Pradesh is a land of highly variety of flowers. The pink rhododendron is the state flower of Himachal Pradesh. These are found close to the tree line in the high ranges, locally known as gulabi. Dog violet. These are purple colored flowers that is found in different habits including woodland, grassland, moorland and old pastures. The main trees are oak, birches, sal, shisham, etc. The plants which are unable to withstand the higher humidity and cold not found, they can be grown under greenhouse. Oaks. These are found mainly in the no temperate zone and higher altitude in the tropics. The spruce. The spruce is considered as fir and grown in altitude belt. And the other important trees are white oak, roxburgh, pine, etc.
The Himachal Pradesh State Biodiversity Board has identified and listed 16 animal species as threatened. Two among these are the Himalayan Zero. The Himalayan Zero is listed as near threatened on IUCN Red List. Habitat destruction and hunting for food and traditional medicine are mentioned as threats. Since Zero requires denser habitat, it is likely to be more susceptible to deforestation and removal of understory vegetation. Tragopan. Tragopan is a genus of bird in the family of Acyanidae. 4 species of Tragopan are found in India, while the 5th, Cabot's Tragopan, is a Southeast Asian bird. All Tragopans are under great threat for hunting and the fragmentation of their habitat.
About 22% to 47% species of plants are indigenous in the world. More than 600 plant species have gone extinct in last 250 years. Plants like Azathecium, Allium Strache, Mohra, Athis, Salam Pancha, Nerthoop and Ratanjot are endangered and some of them are extinct.
Importance of conservation. Saving wildlife and wilderness is the responsibility of all thinking people. Greed and personal gain must not be permitted to decimate, despoil, and destroy the earth's irreplaceable treasure, for its existence is essential to the human spirit and the well being of the earth as a whole. All life has just one home, the earth, and we, as the dominant species, must take care of it. Protecting wildlife and preserving it for the future generations also means that the animals we love don't become a distant memory and we can maintain a healthy and functional ecosystem.
The data given above may be sufficient to introduce all people about the natural beauty of Himachal. The documentary gave us a clear idea about flora, fauna, and the conditions of species and the conservation process. This also gave us an easy way to understand the concept through visualization. This documentary also gave us a motivation for the conservation of flora, fauna from the extreme conditions. Himachal Pradesh is a fantastic tourist place on the basis of diversity and natural beauty. This is the best place to enjoy your holidays